shopping mall. Customers can continue shopping with us without any worries, as all the safety and hygiene precautions are duly maintained and followed. Revised shopping mall timing due to COVID-19 is 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Wear your mask correctly. Don't touch the things in the mall. Ask the help of assistants at the mall. Maintain social distance. Thank you.
May I have your attention please? Train number 12903 Mangalore to Bangalore Express via Hassan is arriving shortly on platform number 3 on time. For security reasons, passengers are reminded not to leave luggage unattended at any time. If you suspect theft, report it immediately. Thank you.
Welcome to KSRTC Mangalore. Bus number KA21F2021 ready to leave by 11 a.m. to Dharmasthala way BC Road. Traveling without a ticket will invite a penalty up to ₹500. Maintain cleanliness. Thank you. There will be a meeting on 7 July 2022 at 10 a.m. in the school meeting hall. We will discussing bridge cost related issues. Since the topic is very important, 100% presence is a must. Please come on time. Teachers will be available for discussion. Parents are requested to come with new ideas about education for the post-COVID period. Thank you.